Okay, now it is we have to learn about this 8 angle. First, just want to confirm that how this 8 angle, is it clear for you all or not? See this figure you just compare with your room. Okay, left side, two corners, one is upside and one is downside. Okay, right side, again two corner, one is left side, one is downside, and same thing for back side also. So total 8 corners are there. So you can say what vertices, 8 vertices and 6 surface, cube or whether it is cuboid, it doesn't matter. Okay, 8 vertices and 6 surfaces. So first you have to write down this thing. This you have to mention in your fair book. Figure. Okay, edges will never come in exam anywhere, but then also we'll write down. આપણે મેં last time I have actually completed this syllabus last to last year. પણ આવી નહોતી, નોટ લાસ્ટ ટુ લાસ્ટ, હા એકચ્યુઅલી સોરી લાસ્ટ યર ઓનલી. પણ આવ્યું નહોતું છતાં આપણે લખી નાખ્યું. હાઉ મેની એજીસ આર ધેર? 12 edges you have to mention, 12 edges also, 12 edges, 6 surface, 8 angle, either it is cube or cuboid. Okay, next is cylinder. See here, this is the cylinder. So base is circular. Okay, some formulas will come. Curve surface area and total surface area. Here, as I have written in my last lecture, curve surface area પૂછે કે પછી lateral surface area પૂછે. કેમ કે જો lateral એટલે શું, this word also they can use anywhere. In question they can twist, they can use a different word, lateral surface area of your room. Question can be there, find lateral surface area of your room. તો lateral surface એટલે શું થાય? ખાલી ચાર walls જે છે ને, four faces, left side, right side, back side and front side. Ceiling and floor you don't have to consider. This thing I have already mentioned in my last lecture also, then also again. See, lateral surface, lateral surface area, just four side. Okay, four sides. Ceiling and bottom means floor, this both thing you don't have to consider. Ceiling and floor, okay, you don't have to consider. So it's called lateral surface. Now see, there is some cylindrical shape is there. તો હવે જો આને તો કોઈ ચાર દિવાલ તો હોય નહીં, સિલિન્ડર હોય એને, બરાબર? તો any lateral surface means its ceiling and this is the symbol of and. Floor, FLOOR. તો આને લેટરલ સરફેસ એરિયા કહેવાય. કા પછી સિલિન્ડરમાં પૂછે અને આને જો કર્વ સરફેસ એરિયા કહેવાય, CSA, કર્વ સરફેસ એરિયા or lateral surface area. And total surface area means for sides plus ceiling plus floor. So that is your total surface area. Now, if you consider about the cylinder as here I have shown, તો એને તો કોઈ ચાર દિવાલ હોય નહીં. Okay, for sides will not be na for cylinder because cylinder is round shape. Then lateral surface area of cylinder, it means just curve surface area of cylinder. And formulas will also come to pi rh. હજી formulas તમારે સ્ટાર્ટ નથી થયા. See, from here formulas are starting from here. See, અહીંથી એક્સરસાઇઝ સ્ટાર્ટ થાય. તો જો હું થોડાક અહીંયા લખું ને તમે લખી નાખો. These all are important formula which you have to write compulsory. First we will write CSA, curve surface area of cube. That is what will come curve surface area of cube for L square, where L is equal to length of side. Okay, હું લખતો નથી, L એટલે તો કોમન છે, ઘણી જગ્યાએ આવું લખ્યું હોય for A square, તો એનાથી કાંઈ ફરક ના પડે. Any variable you can use, okay, but generally they use A and B, otherwise L and B, length, breadth, either or A and B. તો એ તો તમે કોઈ પણ વેરિયેબલ યુઝ કરી શકો. ઓકે, that is depend upon you. And TSA of cube, TSA of cube, that is 6L square. Okay, now વોલ્યુમ તો અત્યારે તમારે નહીં આવે એટલે અત્યારે વોલ્યુમ નથી લેતો. In next exercise after 4.3, in 4.4 volume will come. So about volume at that time we will discuss. Okay, right now we are not discussing. Next is let us take cuboid, CSA of cuboid, CSA of cuboid. તો ક્યુબોઇડમાં કેવું થશે? LB CSA એટલે લેટરલ નહીં, પહેલા હું તમને TSA કરાવું કેમ કે TSA ઉપરથી CSA મળશે. TSA of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, હવે જો આ હું તમને yes, this how this comes that also I can explain you, but maybe it can be boring for you. Then also just once let me show you how this come. If you got that thing then it is good, otherwise you have to just memorize this formula. જો કે હું મેમોરાઇઝ કરવાના તો ઓપોઝમાં છું, ડોન્ટ મેમોરાઇઝ, ધેટ ઇઝ માય રૂલ. કોઈ વસ્તુ મેમોરાઇઝ ન કરવી પડે, મતલબ ગોખાય નહીં કોઈ વસ્તુ, બરાબર. એટલે હું તમને સમજાવીશ, પણ છતાં તમને જો આ વસ્તુ ન સમજાય તો પછી તમે યાદ રાખી લેજો. Now see, this is the length. ઓકે અને અહીંયા એક બ્રેથ આવશે જે આપણને દેખાય નહીં બીકોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ 3D શેપ એન્ડ વેર આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ ટુ શો યુ ધેટ ઇઝ 2D પ્લેટફોર્મ. હું તમને જો દેખાડું છું બરાબર, એ પ્લેટફોર્મ છે. રાઈટ નાઉ વી આર લર્નિંગ ઓન કોમ્પ્યુટર, ઓકે, ઓન ગૂગલ મીટ. તમારો મોબાઈલ છે, મારું કોમ્પ્યુટર છે, એમાં 2D વસ્તુ દેખાય ને. આ જે અત્યારે ફિગર છે આમ 3D છે પણ તમને દેખાય છે અત્યારે 2D. બાકીની જે સાઇડ્સ છે બરાબર, તો જે 3 સાઇડ્સ છે બાકીની એ તમને અત્યારે નથી દેખાતી. 1 2 3, યસ, 3 sides right now you people are not able to see. So this is the length and breadth, so LB. Okay, then for the height, this height, okay, એની breadth તો આ જ આવશે. So plus BH, okay, plus again, yes, yes, I was continue only. Okay, last what you people have listened. Yes, what you have listened. Okay, forget all, you just listen what I'm saying. Now you again focus on your room, and which things you are getting, that you have to write down in your book. Okay, at the corner you have to write down. For all students this instruction is okay. At your room you focus left side corner, wall is there. Okay, that is height and length. જો તમારે જો રાઈટ સાઈડની જે વોલ હોય, હેલો હેલો, અરે students, I am right now on terrace and connectivity is also so good, I cannot understand why this is happening. 1 minute. Now voice is clear. Okay, then forget all thing. I cannot explain you this thing. What I want to explain you, you just remember this formula: 2 into LB plus BH plus LH for total surface area of cuboid. Okay, if they ask curve surface area, okay, then two things you have to remove: 2 into LB plus BH plus LH minus what you have to remove? Ceiling you have to remove. Okay, area of ceiling is what? Area of ceiling is l- length into breadth minus LB. Okay, area of ceiling is length into breadth. Now floor also you have to remove. Yes, so floor you have to remove. That is again LB, not LH. For ceiling and floor area will remain same, L into B, length into breadth. તમે જો તમારી સીલિંગ જો એનો એરિયા કેવી રીતે મળે? લેન્થ ઇન્ટુ બ્રેથ. સીલિંગ જો સોરી ફ્લોર જો ફ્લોરનો એરિયા કેવી રીતે મળે? લેન્થ ઇન્ટુ બ્રેથ. So LB 2LB, okay, so 2LB, if you expand first bracket, 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH minus LB, so minus 2LB, okay, 2LB, then plus 2LB to minus 2LB will cancel. So what will remain? 2BH, 2LH. So what is common? 2H is common. In bracket L plus B will remain. This is your final formula. So I'm again here going to write this final formula. Remaining this all things I will rough out. 2H in bracket L plus B. Okay, so you have to write this one final. 2H in bracket L plus B. 2H in bracket L plus B. See, for TSA, 2 LB BH LH. For CSA 2H in bracket L plus B. Okay, for cube TSA 6L square for CSA 4A square. જો આ બધા યાદ રાખવા પડશે તમારે. Now for cylinder CSA of cylinder CYLINDER I have written. So many time I have said you that much clear fonts I cannot write here because I'm writing right now on computer screen, not on board or not in any book. તો એટલા સરસ handwritings ના આવે. Okay, so don't focus on my presentation, you just focus on concept only. So here I have written CSA of cylinder CYLINDER. Okay, CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH and TSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH plus two things we have to add. This is cylinder, so you should say bottom and top. Okay, it doesn't matter ceiling, bottom, whatever you can say. Words ની ઉપર ફોકસ નથી કરતા. What will come, you tell me. Cylindrical base, shape of cylinder. Not pi r. Pi r ક્યાંથી આવ્યું આમાં? જો આવી રીતે because somebody's one meter somebody's mic is start. Yes, pi r square is correct answer. When somebody's mic will be on, so echo will generate, so you will feel double voice. So when I'm speaking, you have to turn off your mic. Okay, then here pi r square will come. Okay, pi r square જો કેવી રીતે આવ્યું? If this is cylinder, okay, this is top side, this is bottom side. તો જો આ bottom side હશે એ કેવી હશે? Circular હશે ને, આવી રીતે આમ હશે circular. આપણે ગેસનું સિલિન્ડર બધાએ જોયેલો જ છે, બરાબર? તો સિલિન્ડર હોય તો એનો એરિયા કેટલો થાય? સોરી, સર્કલ હોય, સર્ક્યુલર, બેઝ ઇઝ સર્ક્યુલર. તો સર્ક્યુલર હોય તો એનો એરિયા કેટલો થાય? પાઈ આર સ્ક્વેર. ઓકે, યુ ઓલ નો એરિયા ઓફ સર્કલ ઇઝ પાઈ આર સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ we have to consider na this top also. So again pi r square 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square 2 pi r square, which is common, that all we have to write down. 2 is common, yes. Pi is common, yes. Here r and here r square, so just we can write r. R is common, okay. So yes, very good. In bracket h plus r. So this is the formula of TSA of cylinder 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. And for CSA કે જો ખાલી આ કન્સિડર ના કરવાનું હોય, ઉપરનું જે ટોપ છે, આપણે સાદી ભાષામાં એને ઢાંકણું કહીએ, તો એ ઉપરનું ઢાંકણું, બરાબર, તે ના કન્સિડર કરવું હોય, નીચેનું જે બોટમ છે તે કન્સિડર ના, then 2 pi rh. pi r square h તો ક્યારે આવશે? That is volume of cylinder is pi r square h. But right now we are not discussing about the volumes. I haven't written here, I haven't mentioned. See, here also I haven't mentioned volume, here also I haven't mentioned volume, because that will come in your next exercise. So right now screenshot તો લઈ લો. Okay, હવે લઈ લો. Okay, I think you have taken. This type of questions now we will solve. These people are still flying kites right now. I'm at my terrace. I can listen these songs. Have you enjoyed yesterday? So much. Today also you people are flying kite because classes are there. Yes. Uh, okay. Let us start some questions. Recording is continue. Third exercise. Not much, but just one or two questions we will solve. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in adjoining figure. Okay. Which box require lesser amount of material to make? Okay. First question. Just one question we can solve. Because in one question, two answers we have to give. So that. Hmm. Total surface area of both. Start solving before me. Now it is correct. Okay, now as you can see here, measurements are given. Okay, one is cuboid and second is cube. Measurement, otherwise you can say dimensions also. Dimension of first figure, which is cuboidal, that is 60, 40, 50, and for other one 50. Okay, means all sides are same because that is cube, so that is 50. So TSS formula we will use. First we will find TSA of cube. Okay, TSA of cube. That is just right now I have written 6L square, otherwise 6A square. Okay, but here your A, not actually I should say A because I have written here L. So here your L is equal to 50. So 6 into 50 square. Hmm. 50 square. Tell me through. No, I have written here first one for cube. I have written actually first. Hmm. Then this formula will not come na. Doesn't matter. You have done for cuboid. Which formula you have applied? Into LB plus BH plus LH. Then what? It doesn't matter. It's not should be like that. Which I'm solving first. That compulsory. You also have to solve first. It's not like that. Your and my both answers can be different. Also, means answer can be same, but which you are taking first, which I'm taking first, it doesn't matter. Okay, through. You people are now grew up. Then it's. Arey wow. 50, 50 square is 2500. 5 square you have to do, and 10 square is double zero. Okay. Then now 25 6 are 150, and again 20 centimeter square. This is the TSA of cube, and now we will write TSA of cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then now we have to mention which is your L. L is equal to 60. B is equal to 40 and H is equal to 50. Okay. Remember, you have to write down properly. So 2 into LB, L is 60, B is 40 plus BH 40 into 50 plus LH 60 into 50 bracket complete. Okay, now 6 for 24 double zero, yes, 2000, 3000. Okay, now 3 plus 2 5, 7400 into 2, then 4 2 8, 14,800 centimeter square, and for cube it is 15,000 centimeter square. Uh, but in question, which box required the lesser amount of material? Okay, so which will come? Cuboid. Okay, cuboid will require the lesser amount of material. Is it clear? You have to mention, you have to write hello hello. You have, yes, you have to write cuboid will require lesser amount of material to make. That is your answer. आप वो आप अपने तरीके से लिख सकते हो. Hands. Okay, so this was the first question of third exercise, and now we will not start something new because it will take much time. Yes, for today it is already enough. And now some homework. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Uh, Let me give you some homework. 11.3. Okay, 6 and 7 examples are there total. Before 11.3, total examples I'm saying from the beginning of the chapter. Total 7 examples are there. So that you have to write. Okay, today's homework is example number few. Oh, you have. I know. You have already written out few examples because I have given previous time also some examples. I know, but then also if you haven't written, then from first example you have to write, and if you have already written down some examples, then from next examples you have to start. So, क्या 2 दिन? Hmm, tomorrow is Saturday. Why that much homework is with you? Have you seen what I have written on screen? Okay. Then I will check this on Monday. On Monday. Example 1 to 7 and what we have completed. That all in exercise book. Okay. Means exercise book, everybody's exercise book must be completed up to 14.3 question number first. અરે યસ યસ સોરી એ તમારે સમજી જવાનું થોડું. ઓકે અપ ટુ 11.3 question number first, all students fair book should be completed and homework as I have written 1 to 7 example should be there. ઓકે બીજું કાંઈ નથી આપવું. Up to here only. So it is actually, I think it's not that much. મારું homework આમ બહુ વધારે હોય એવું મને જ નથી લાગતું. Still if you are feeling like that then you can discuss with me. No, it's चलेगा चलेगा. Okay, then dear students, now you people may leave and tomorrow again we will meet in our next class. Okay, basic જે description લખ્યું છે બધું 14 or 11.3 પહેલા થોડુંક વાંચીને આવજો. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.